Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is now my honor to welcome the Minister from the Ministry of Communications and Multimedia Malaysia, Yang Berhormat Datuk Saifuddin Abdullah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. I remember vividly the occasion 25 years ago when Malaysia announced the Multimedia Super Corridor, or MSC Malaysia, an ambitious and visionary plan to transform our country from a commodities-based economy to a technology and digital powerhouse in the region and the world. We were the original startup in the region, pioneering many tech and digital investment frameworks and incentives that attracted huge global interest. The landscape today is vastly different. However, the time has never been better for digital technologies as we navigate unprecedented and new socio-economic norms and radical disruptions to business and life as usual. The Ministry of Communication and Multimedia Malaysia, KKMM, has introduced and implemented several initiatives to drive the nation's digital economy and accelerate our goals to firmly establish Malaysia as the heart of digital ASEAN. As we push the digital economy needle forward, we must not lose sight of the ultimate goal of our effort, i.e. the quality of life of the people or the rakyat. We are cognizant of the plights and concerns and continue to do our utmost to ensure technology serves the benefits of the people, ensuring equitable opportunities for the many. We build, we connect, we facilitate, and we make it happen. The launch of the second edition of the highly successful Malaysia Tech Month, the program that we are witnessing today, is testament of this. Malaysia Tech Month 2021 is a carefully curated month-long program that will be a space for the public and private sectors to engage in conversations surrounding digital and technology, to engage and create ideas that further reinforce Malaysia's position in the region's digital economy. With Malaysia Tech Month 2021, we are expecting RM50 million worth of qualified opportunities. The virtual event is also expected to draw more than 20,000 participants from over 50 countries. The 40 virtual programs across the month will explore key topics and issues surrounding Malaysia's digital economy, including Islamic fintech, the agriculture technology sector or agri-tech, artificial intelligence or AI, the Internet of Things or IoT, drone technology, e-commerce, and the digital creative content industry. We are committed to our goal to establish a strong digital economy ecosystem in Malaysia. Through Malaysia Tech Month 2021, investors will have the perfect platform to explore business opportunities, gain valuable market access, seek funding opportunities, and access digital talents within the local tech industry. The Malaysia Tech Month is part of a massive concerted effort in line with My Digital and the National Fourth Industrial Revolution policy that aims to develop Malaysia into a high-tech nation by 2030. Together, we can build a sustainable ecosystem that can bring us into the new digital frontier and make Malaysia truly the heart of digital ASEAN. Thank you.
Malaysia Tech Month 2021 is a virtual month-long curation of electrifying digital and technology keynotes, workshops, discussion panels, and business matching sessions aimed at asserting Malaysia as the heart of digital ASEAN. Since its inception 25 years ago, MDEC has indisputably transformed the ICT and digital landscape of Malaysia. The Malaysia Tech Month is the nation's marquee investment promotion platform, bringing together industry, government, and investors to form effective collaborations, enabling better innovations. We are the pulse that generates the heartbeat of the digital economy of Malaysia. Join us today at the Malaysia Tech Month 2021.
Thank you, Yang Berhormat Datuk Saifuddin, for taking the time to share those inspiring messages with us today as we strive towards realizing our aspirations to be the heart of digital ASEAN. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our next session will begin very shortly. As always, do click join session and we'll see you very shortly. Thank you.